Students, once again welcome you all in my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry classes. So students, today we will talk about whether these compounds are our aromatic or non-aromatic compounds. So we know that what is the criteria to decide whether a given compound is aromatic or non-aromatic. That is our Huckel's rule. So what a Huckel rules state that it states that any conjugate monoclinic monocyclic polyene that is a planar and it has 4n plus 2 pi electrons that will obey the Huckel rules, and the value of n can equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let us start solving the problem. So first is our cyclopentadienyl anion. So students, here you can see that in this cyclopenta, hai na, so there are number of carbons are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Valency will be completed by hydrogens. So now as we can see that there are two double bonds and one positive charge. So two double bonds means in one double bond there are two electrons. एक double bond में दो electron होते हैं. Pink color से I have shown the number of electrons. So total number of electron in this species is how many? So we will write at 4n plus 2 is equals to how much pi electrons. So in this species you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the positive charge. What does the positive charge means? This fifth carbon, यहाँ पे जो हमारा जो कार्बन एटम है उसने अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हमारा रिंग से बाहर कर दिया है because it is positive. Positive means that has donated one of the electrons, so it is cation. Okay, so now we can say that the 4n plus 2 is equals to 4, and when we will solve it, so 4n is equals to 4 minus 2. So what you will get here? It will be our n is equals to 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. 2 by 4, so what you will get? 1 by 2. It means that you are not getting a whole number, you are getting your half value. It means that this compound is non-aromatic in nature. Now let us talk about our second compound. So again this example here also you can see it is our cyclobutadiene. So there are you can see two double bonds. तो इधर पे आपका क्या हो जाएगा? When we will write 4n plus 2 is equals to pi electrons, so it will be 4n plus 2 is equals to how many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 pi electrons. Then we will solve it. Same you will get here for this also. When you will solve this will also give you 1 by 2. So this compound is also not obeying the Huckel's rule, hence it is also not an aromatic compound. So now let us talk about tropylium cation. So you can see in the tropylium cation there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 carbon species compound. So this carbon, again this is positive charge. It means that this carbon has given its electron outside. So यहाँ पे positive charge है. तो यहाँ पे कितने आपके पास? Now 4n plus 2 is equals to pi electron. So what we will write? 4n plus 2 is equals to how many electrons? How many pink color you can see? इधर पे कितना आपके पास? 6 pi electrons है. So now what? When you will solve 4n is equals to 6 and this 2 will go there, so it will be your 2. So n is equals to 4 by 4. So you will get n is equals to 1. It means that this compound will have one ring. Okay, one ring. So this you can see that when the value of our this comes to be 1, it means that it obeys the Huckel's rule. Hence this cation, tropylium cation, is our aromatic compound. Okay, so next we will talk about next species. The name of this species is octatetraene. Okay, cyclooctatetraene. So this you can see here how many. Again we will write 4n plus 2 is equals to pi electrons. So what is this here? So how many pi electrons you can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number will be our 8 electrons. So now when we will solve it, 4n plus 2 is equals to 8. So what you will get? 8 minus 6. So n is equals to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 2, you will get 6 here, 6 by 4. So what you will get here? 3 by 2. So it's not a whole number, so it's given the value of this will be, again this is not a aromatic compound, it is our non-aromatic compound. Next we will talk about another compound, that is cyclooctatetraene. So you can see both are the conformers. So same here also, as you will get the number of pi electrons. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also number of pi electrons is 8 electrons. So when the number of pi electrons is 8 electron, it will not give you the correct answer. So it does not satisfy the Huckel's rule. So hence this compound will also be not aromatic. as we saw that cyclooctatetraene is also having it will also having the 8 pi electron. It will also give you the 3 by n is equals to 3 by 2, so it's also not a whole number. So this also is a non-aromatic compounds. Now let us talk about tropylium anion. So students, you can see that how many electrons are here. There are 7 carbons, so they will give one electrons each. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 है ना. So but there is one minus charge. So what does minus charge says? That minus charge that which is taken one of the electron. तो आपका कितना हो जाएगा? 7 + 1 8 electrons हो जाएगा ना. So when we will talk about this 8 electron species, when it will have the so pi electrons कितना है इसमें? 8 है. So we will write the Huckel's rule, 4n + 2 is equals to pi electrons. So are getting 8. So again the same calculation will be followed here for the 8 electrons. So again you will get for the 8 electrons 4n is equals to 8 minus 2. So you will have 4n is equals to 6 by 4. So you will get 3 by 2. So your answer will be 1.5. So hence it's not a whole number. So it is also a not aromatic compounds. Now let us see the another example. Just we will see our cyclopropyl anion. So you can see here 3 carbon compound, but यहाँ पे 1 minus charge is there. So just what it will be, when 1 minus charge is there, so definitely 1 electron has been taken. So the total number of pi electrons in this species is 4. So we will write 4n + 2 is equals to pi electrons. So you are having 4n + 2 is equals to 4 pi electrons. So what you will write, 4n is equals to 4 minus 2. So 4n is equals to 2 by 4. So again you will get the answer here. What you will get? Again you will get 1 by 2.5. So it's not a whole number value. So this is also not aromatic compound. So now we will discuss for our next pyridine. So here you can see that this nitrogen is there, but the electrons of the nitrogen, lone pair of electrons of the nitrogens are outside the rings. They are not contributing. So if inside the benzene ring, how many electrons are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So inside the ring the number of pi electrons is 6. So we will see 4n + 2 is equals to 6. So it's just like benzene. So what you will write, 4n is equals to 6 minus 2. So here आपका क्या हो जाएगा? n is equals to 4 by 4. So hence you will get n is equals to 1. So it will satisfies the Huckel's rule. You are getting 1. So the ring number of ring will be 1 in this organic compound. So this is aromatic compound. Okay, and it's a heterocyclic because the nitrogen is present. Now next example we will see cyclooctatetraenyl dianion. तो यहाँ पे 2 minus charges है. It means they will take 2 electrons. Okay, so what it will give you? 1 octa है, there are 8 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 electrons plus this 2 anions are there. There is 2 minus charge. So it will have, okay, 2 extra electrons. So total number of the pi electrons we can count inside the rings are 10. Okay, so if they have the 10 electrons, so the condition will be different. As we know that if the species are having the 10 electrons, definitely it will give the just let us calculate. So 4n + 2 is equals to 10. So 4n, so sorry, 10 minus 2. So 4n is equals to 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. So n is equals to, again it will add 8 by 4. So you will get what? N is equals to 2. So this you are getting the number as 2. So this species is considered to be our aromatic. So the number of electron species coming here is 2. Okay, because of the anion, this compound will follow the Huckel's rule. Okay, so that it is aromatic and it will have 10 pi electron system. Okay, now next when we will discuss here cyclopropyl cation. So I hope अब आप खुद कर सकते हो. 3 carbon species है. Okay, 1 positive charge है. So it is already given 1 here. So how many you will have now? So you will have only 2 electrons, क्योंकि ये वाला जो 3rd carbon वाला electron है, this is already donated because of the positive charge. So the pi electrons here it will be equals to 2 pi electrons. So we will solve 4n + 2 is equals to 2 pi electrons. So now we don't write this side. So 4n is equals to 2 minus 2. Okay, so what you will have here, 0 by 4. So what you will get here, the answer for this species, as they are having 2 pi electrons, so it will satisfy the Huckel's rule. You get 0, so that it will satisfy the Huckel's rule. So all these examples are very important, so do subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the videos. Do solve the problems. Any of the questions can be asked for your NET set and your IIT NEET examinations. Okay, thanks for watching the videos.